Today, we are going to show you an experiment aimed at confirming the effectiveness of amino acid products, Rokoaktiv and Rokolan. We use high-quality potting soil. The following seeds are wheat, cucumber, tomato, and radish seeds. The containers were marked with control and Rokosan. Rokosan sample. Seeds were treated with Rokoaktiv seeds tracing technology. Application scale of 4 to 6 liters per 1 ton of seed. The experiment was aimed at observing germination, rooting, and initial growth of plants. The temperature in the room was optimal. The same amount of watering was measured for both containers. The artificial lighting was regulated by a timer, so the conditions were optimal and the same for both containers as well. The seeds in both containers were sown by the method of precise sowing. You can see the picture of the sowing process here. The first watering of the soil, Rokosan sample with the diluted Rokolan adequate dose of 50 liters of Rokolan per hectare. The first watering of the control sample in the experiment was done with a sprayer filled with water. Additional watering was applied by carefully pouring from a measuring container. The experiment clearly shows us the efficiency and fast start of seed germination where the amino acid products Rokoaktiv and Rokolan were applied. An important indicator is the uniform germination of the plant over the entire width of the container, as well as uniformity in the initial stage of growth. This creates a precondition for higher yield and faster maturation. In the control sample, it was clearly shown that the plants began to germinate first in the direction from the open room and then to the wall. This might be caused by the temperature difference, cold from the wall. The temperature difference of perhaps 1 to 2 degrees caused a little later germination during the inspection. In the case of seed treated with Rokoaktiv, the spectrum of optimal condition for germination has clearly expanded. Worse condition had less of an effect. Amino acids stabilize the plant and have an anti-stress effect. Even balanced growth, when there are no large differences in plant size in the field, will ensure even ripening and the higher crop quality. With uneven growth, when there are many plants of different sizes, higher plants ripen sooner because they have more light and better conditions. Smaller plants are slowed down in development and also due to weaker photosynthesis. They measure later. For field crops such as cereal, oilseeds, and so on, this reduces the quality and quantity of the crops.